We arrive at one of Pakistan's busiest recycling factories, where millions of plastic bottles begin their journey to become polyester fiber. Inside, workers prepare to process the bottles into high-quality fibers.
Meet the skilled workers who manage each step of this transformation process.
The workshop is equipped with shredders, washers, and spinning machines, all slightly aged but fully functional.
Used plastic bottles arrive daily, ready to be recycled into polyester fiber.
Workers carefully sort bottles to ensure consistent quality in the fiber production.
Then transcription. Each bottle is inspected to remove impurities before processing begins. The crushed plastic is thoroughly washed to remove dirt and labels before melting. After washing, the plastic is drained and dried to ensure smooth melting. Once dried, the bottles are crushed into uniform small pieces, preparing them for melting. The crushed plastic is fed into the extruder, starting the transformation into molten material.
The extruder heats the plastic, turning solid bottle pieces into molten material ready for fiber formation.
D. Impurities are filtered out to ensure the fibers will be clean and uniform. The molten plastic is extruded into continuous strands, the first stage of fiber formation.
Water cools the strands quickly, solidifying them for further processing.
Cooled strands are wound onto spools, maintaining their length and preventing tangles. Workers check the strands to catch any weak sections before further processing. Tension is carefully adjusted to prevent fiber breakage and ensure smooth winding. Strands are stretched to strengthen fibers, preparing them for heat setting.
Heat sets the fibers, stabilizing their structure for long-term durability.
After heating, fibers are cooled gently to preserve their quality. Fibers are trimmed and cleaned to remove imperfections before twisting and bundling. Strands are aligned carefully to prepare for twisting into stronger fibers. Strands are twisted together, forming stronger fibers suitable for textile use.
Twisted fibers are cut into uniform bundles, ready for packaging. Bundles are cleaned to ensure every fiber is free from dust and debris.
Manual adjustments keep fibers evenly twisted and prevent breakage.
This bundle feels a bit thin.
Yes, let's check the strength.
Good, this one meets the standard.
Weak or tangled fibers are removed to maintain consistency in the final bundles. Combing aligns fibers in one direction, improving smoothness and usability. Workers manually adjust fibers to ensure uniform alignment before final bundling. Fibers are rewound onto clean spools to prepare them for final processing.
Tension adjustments help maintain smooth winding without damaging fibers.
A light treatment improves flexibility and softness of the recycled fibers.
Fibers are dried to remove moisture after treatment before bundling.
Dry them well before bundling.
Yes, rotating now.
Random samples are tested to confirm the strength of recycled fibers.
Fibers are cut into standard lengths required for packaging and storage. Bundles are gathered carefully to prepare for final packing.
Press down harder to get the air out.
Yes, it's getting tight.
Manual compression helps create compact and manageable bundles.
Hold it steady there.
Yes, pulling now.
Bundles are tied securely so fibers stay intact during storage. Each batch receives a label for identification and tracking. Bundles are labeled to maintain production records. A final inspection ensures bundles meet workshop packaging standards. Finished bundles are moved carefully toward storage racks.
Next one,
Ready?
stacking neatly.
Good.
ये बंडल हटा देता हूँ, स्टैक हिल रहा है.
Stacks are adjusted to prevent collapse and maintain safe storage. At the end of processing, workers clean the area before the next production cycle begins.
Loose fiber waste is collected and reprocessed to minimize material loss.
ये लो और डालो.
ठीक है.
Scrap fibers are ground again so they can re-enter the production process.
These need more blending.
Right. Adding fresh now.
Good. Keep it even.
Looks balanced.
Fluffing restores softness and volume to compressed fibers. Workers separate tangled fibers to ensure smooth final bundles.
साफ करो जल्दी.
Dust removal keeps fibers clean and ready for storage. Random checks confirm fiber thickness remains consistent.
ये फाइबर्स को ठीक से लापिट लो.
जी बिल्कुल ठीक.
अब ये छोटी स्पूल बंडल के लिए रेडी है.
Final alignment ensures bundles remain uniform and usable. Bundles are tightened again to secure fibers firmly.
एक और बार ताउल कर बंडल की कंसिस्टेंसी चेक करते हैं.
A final weight check ensures bundle consistency. Uneven edges are trimmed for cleaner bundles.
इस तरह बंडल को रैप करते हैं.
Bundles are wrapped to protect fibers from dust and moisture.
Pull it tight.
Yes, hold it steady.
It's secure now.
Batch numbers help track production quality and output.
ये राइट साइड पे रखो.
जी लेकर आ रही हूँ.
ठीक है, साइड में रखो. सबको एक साथ रखो. ये शीट सीधा रखना.
जी बिल्कुल ठीक.
किनारे को अच्छे से दबा दो.
हो गया.
The day's production ends with stacks of recycled polyester fiber ready for use. Finally some rest. After hours of careful processing, workers finally take a short rest.
ये फाइबर्स को निकाल दो जल्दी.
हाँ कर रहे हैं. ये एज साफ करो.
मशीन तैयार है अब.
The feeding area is cleaned to prevent contamination in future batches. Shredder blades are checked regularly to maintain efficient crushing. Lubrication keeps machinery running smoothly despite heavy daily use.
Is it draining properly?
Yes, almost done. Keep scrubbing.
Cooling tanks are cleaned to maintain proper temperature control.
These bottles are ready for the next batch.
Yes, sorting them now saves time later.
Good. Stack them neatly. ये एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल अगले मेल्ट साइकिल के लिए पैक कर रहे हैं.
हाँ इसे ऐसे बंद करना.
जी ये सैक्स कल के लिए रेडी होंगे.
Proper tool organization helps maintain smooth workshop operations.
ये एरिया साफ कर लो.
हाँ कर रहे हैं.
इस तरफ से मिलाओ.
Stored bundles are cleaned to maintain fiber quality. Machines are carefully shut down after completing production. Final checks confirm bundles are ready for storage or shipment.
आराम से. पानी बहुत ठंडा है.
हाँ ठीक है, चेहरा भी साफ कर लेता हूँ.
मेरी बारी है बाद में.
ये सेफ्टी गियर अगले शिफ्ट के लिए रख देते हैं.
ठीक है, हुक्स पर टंग दो.
हाँ और एग्जिट के पास रखना.
जी हो गया.
Stored materials are secured overnight. The production day ends as workers prepare to head home.
चलो घर चलते हैं.
हाँ कल फिर.
Lights go off as the workshop closes for the day. The workshop rests, ready for another day of recycling. Outside, the factory stands quietly after a full day of production. Bundles remain ready for use in future manufacturing. Tomorrow, more waste bottles will continue this recycling cycle. The factory gates close, marking the end of the workday. The yard remains still until production resumes.
Every machine and worker contributes to transforming waste into useful fiber.
From discarded bottles to strong fibers, the process brings new value to waste. Even in silence, the workshop tells a story of transformation. Another successful recycling cycle comes to an end. Millions of bottles find new life here, becoming fibers for future products.